So beyond that, we now go to the parishes. Right now, in the current system, the Westminster system, the senators are appointed, as I said before, by the Prime Minister and the opposition leader. In the UIC system, the senators are elected by the parishes. So each parish elect one senator and send them to what we call the Congress, the United Independence Congress, as opposed to a parliament. And I'll tell you why we say Congress. In the parliament right now, it's divided. So you have a government and you have an opposition, and they sit on either side, and then they fight each other. We're opposed to that. We're more in favor of a boardroom setting where you have competent individuals sit around the boardroom table and discuss the interest of the organization and make decisions based on that, as opposed to being automatically by design separated into specific camps as opposition versus government. You can never run a business like that. If you have a business where you separate your board into two halves and make one the opposition,